YouTube channel, optimize your videos. After you've created your YouTube videos for your YouTube channel, the next step in the process is to properly optimize your content so that it ranks high in YouTube search. Even if you've done everything right, it will be a waste of your time if people can't find your videos online. Utilizing some key SEO tactics for YouTube will allow you to get your videos ranked near the top of search results. Having your YouTube videos ranked high on YouTube and Google search results will make them more accessible to your target audience and help to increase views and subscriptions to your YouTube channel. Click the link below this video to claim your YouTube SEO 8-part series in YouTube Backlink Generator software for free. Thank you and have a great day.